Firstly, supernova, how often stars explode. And when you tell students that actually 50 stars explode every second in the universe, it just tells you how big the universe is. You think maybe once a day or a minute or even a second, then it's 50 per second. You just see how much stuff is in the universe. And then at the same time, you get to tell them things like, well, it takes time for light to travel. And we say light years, and that's how long light takes to travel into a year. And so imagine that there are parts in the universe that if a planet was there and they had a huge telescope that could look at the Earth, they would be looking at dinosaurs right now. That if there's a star or a planet 100 million light years away, they're seeing light as it was 100 million years ago. So they're literally looking at dinosaurs as we speak. And it's kind of this weird thing to show how long and big it takes in the universe. I also like talking about how, um, you know, uh, if you think about all the animals we sent into space, which animal we sent the most into space? Well, jellyfish. We've actually sent jellyfish the most into space. NASA sent 60,000 jellyfish into space. And everyone never understands that. And it's never the answer you expect. And there's very good scientific reasons. They actually wanted to study how things evolve and actually are affected by the conditions of space. And what they found was the baby jellyfish born in space, when they brought them back to Earth, couldn't swim properly. They formed differently in space. And so it's a great way of talking about space medicine, that there's actually other fields involved in astronomy and space just beyond maths and physics. You can bring in medicine that we needed, how astronauts survive, chemistry, biology, even law. A lot of these things do it, and it gets to show how wide it is. And as students are thinking about their future careers, we actually need people who can do a few of these different things. We need those different skill sets. So, okay, maybe you're not the best at maths, or maybe you don't really like maths, but you kind of like space. Well, there's lots of different roles that you can play and be a part of it. And I think those sorts of things show that.